If your iPhone screen is glitching, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now as you can see, currently we are not having the glitching issue on our iPhone, but if you're facing this issue, first of all just go to settings, then tap on display and brightness. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of always on display. Now if always on display is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it. Now after you disable it, just check if your issue is fixed or not. Because many times this issue appears because of a software glitch, as when you enable always on display, the display of your iPhone will start glitching. So after you disable this option, then go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button of your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. After the force restart process is completed, then go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone to fix this software glitch. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the glitching issue of the screen on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.